Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to see how you can download fSpy for Blender. So what you're going to do is you're going to search fSpy for Blender in your web browser and you're going to press on the first link that pops up. Now you can see this is the fSpy website. So what you're going to do is you're going to scroll down and you're going to press on download. Now this supports Mac, Windows or Linux. So you're going to press on download and now it will redirect you to a GitHub site. Now you can see all of these and you can download the latest version. You can just go ahead and press on this fSpy link. And what you're going to do is after you press on this link, the downloading will start, and after it's downloading, you can open up the fSpy file. Now, once you pressed on that link, the fSpy file would have been downloaded, and after it's downloaded, this is what you're going to see. Now you're going to go down to fSpy right here and you're going to press on fSpy and application. As you can see right here, you'll just have to scroll down a bit and you'll see fSpy application. So you're going to press on this and then you're going to press on extract all. Now you can add whatever folder you want to add it. If you want to add it in downloads, you can do that. You can go with any other folder as well. And after you've selected the folder, you're going to press on extract. Now you're going to just wait for it to extract and you're going to wait for it to complete. Now the files have been successfully extracted. So what you're going to do is you're going to press on fSpy again. As you can see, now it has a logo. So you're going to press on fSpy. Now you're just going to wait for a bit, and if you see this, if Windows is protecting your PC, you can simply just press on more info, and from there you can press on run anyway. Now as you can see, it has opened up fSpy and fSpy has been downloaded for Blender on your laptop. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.